But then again, maybe I should shine some light on the lies you spread. You wanted them viral, straight to the vitals, without a chance of survival. You wanted me bleeding, barely breathing, there for the feeding. Looks are deceiving, can't ever be sure. Caught like a fever, but killed by the cure. I don't live for your acceptance, won't die from your rejection. Bloodthirst for prey, fixed on my veins, hate-filled injection. You are the infection. To tear me down, but this time around I'm not chasing validation from a coward's mouth. All of the stitches, you burn the bridges, maybe you'll get what you're wishing.